Hello guys, my name is Emelly and today I'm going to show you guys how to play a Rubik. Okay, so maybe most of you think that a person who can play Rubik was a genius. They were smart, but let me tell you, everyone can also learn how to play Rubik. It is not hard to learn at all. Let's get started. Okay, so actually there are some formula that you need to follow when you are playing Rubik's. So before I enter to the formula, let me show you some words inside the formula and I will teach you what does the word means. Okay, so if you find the word R, so you need to take your right side. R means your right. So this is from my point of view. You have to turn it up if it is R or right. So if it is written R with a mark behind or R with a point, so you need to turn it down. Okay, the next one is L. So L means left, so it is on your left side, and this is also from my point of view. So if it is L, you have to turn it up. Okay, so if it is L with a mark behind, so you need to turn it down. Okay, after that we also have U. U means up, so it means that this is the upper part of the Rubik. So if it's written U, you have to turn it with your right hand. Remember, with your right hand, it was according to clockwise, so you have to turn it like this. And if it is written U with a mark behind, so you have to turn it with your left hand, which is this side. Okay, and after that we had down, which is this part of your Rubik. So down means it was also the same, you have to turn it with your right hand to this place. If it is with a mark behind, so you have to turn it with this hand. So it was the same, just according to the clockwise turning. Okay, so after that we have F, which is front. So this is the front. From my point of view, it was the yellow part, so I have to turn it with my right hand also to this side. Okay, so if the F with the mark, so I have to turn it to this side with your left hand. And after that we have back, which is the back from my point of view, so it was this part. If it is B, I have to turn it this way. Okay, and for B with the mark, I have to turn it this way. Okay, actually in my formula I didn't use D and B, which is the down and the back. I'm just showing you so that you will know about the D and B, so when you are watching or reading other people's formula, then you will know what is D and B. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So now I have the Rubik that is already mixed. Okay, first you have to do the base. You have to find the base and you can choose whatever color you like. So now I'm going to choose yellow. When you have to find plus first, and it was the other side should be the same as this one. This color red, green, orange, and blue. So first I want to find green and yellow. So the green and yellow was here. I have to move it onto this side, so just turn it like this, so it was found. And next I'm going to find the which was this one. I have to move it to this side, so I just need to turn it down and it will be like okay, and it was found. Actually finding the base was easy. I don't have any formula to share in this. Now I'm going to find this, which is yellow and red. So where is it? It was here. It was here. I need to turn it this. Okay, so the place was found. The place was found, so now I need to find the corner. So the corner is, I saw this, so I have to move it to this side because it was, and you can see it was yellow, blue, and red. I just turn it like this, so it was found. And this one, which is yellow, green, and orange, and this. Okay, yellow, green, and red. And the last one is yellow, orange, and blue. Okay, so now the base was already found and the color was the same with the other side, which is green, orange, blue, and red. So next we're going to find the second part. So in this part we will have some formula. So now we're going to find this. We have to move this, you see, this one into this side, which is orange and green. So we're using this formula. It means that we have to move it to the right. So it's like this. Okay, and it was found. And after that, we're going to use this formula, which is the formula for you to find the left side. You have to move this one to this part, which is orange and blue. Okay, so it was found. And the second part was already done. So after that, we're going to look at this part. As you can see, if there is only a color in the middle, which is black, or it was in L, which is like this, you have to use this formula, which is okay. So after you turn it, you will find this. So now you're going to use this formula. Okay, so now we can find plus. Okay, so we have to find out if it is matched with this, with the other side. So the orange is matched. So okay, so now you can see, you can find two sides that is already matched, but this two side was still different. So you have to remember that the one that is already found should be on your right side, and you have to use this formula, which is okay. So now all of the plus was already in the correct places. Okay, so now we're going to find the corner. So first you have to look for the color if it was put in the same place, like if it was put in the correct place, like this one. This one is already in the correct place, but it was in a different rotation. But you can keep this first. So the color that is already correct place, you have to put it always leave it on your left side, and you have to use this formula to find the corner. So okay, so now as you can see, this two hours was already found, it was done. So you need to use this formula to find this two corner. So remember, the color that is already correct, you have to put it on your left side. So this is the formula. Okay, so it was done. Okay, so actually playing Rubik is not hard, it was easy, but you just need to memorize the formula. But when you are already memorize it and you get used to it, you don't even have to think, you can just turn it easily. It was not hard. If you are already used to it, so you see, it is easy to turn it. You don't even have to think what is the formula is. So okay, so that's all my video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.